Southwest Airlines is the largest low-cost carrier in the United States, providing short-haul, high-frequency, point-to-point, low-fare service. Headquartered in Dallas, Texas, the airline was established in 1967. Their motto, "Just Plain Smart," focuses on three passions: performance, people, and the planet. Their unique mix of affordable value coupled with a strong focus on minimizing costs on every level is the cornerstone of their company strategy to stay profitable. Highly powered employees are engaged and brought into the mission and vision of the airline. Their customer service, devoted to a strong brand, loyal to a large following of repeat customers based on its high level of customer care. Frequent departures and low fares attract price-sensitive customers who otherwise would travel by bus, car, or train, as well as convenience-oriented travelers who might choose a full-service airline on other routes. The airline industry is competitive, and Southwest is continually threatened by a cyclical client base. This base being aware of costs, competitive between carriers, alternative sources of travel, are simply just a couple to name. To sustain this competitive advantage, Southwest should focus on its uniquely differentiated customer servicing model, which emphasizes social relations as important and provides greater scope for community development and collaborative support, as well as improves its agent effectiveness. This includes their automated outbound messaging system with its proactive customer communications to reduce inbound costs and improve customer touchpoint. As well, they should continue to add functionality to external technology like Southwest.com to drive better booking rates and improve navigation. Also, internal technology to ensure seamless connectivity of reservation systems as well as up-to-date status. Not to mention, they should manage costs by growing through careful expansion and exchange of routine services, such as meal services as well as assigned seats for unique value-added service. Southwest excels at embedding organizational learning in all levels of the organization, allowing them to capture improvements to process, information about how to improve the customer experience, and how to make their employees happy. Southwest is also focused on using knowledge to build relationships, improve collaboration with employees and customers, create shared goals, and create an ownership sense of culture. As far as acting on these, what they need to do is increase organizational capabilities by building and maintaining a learning culture focused on adaptability as well as innovation. It is clear that learning from their employees and customers is core to their mission, even based on the three passions: performance, people, and the planet. Looking in, Southwest tapes its leadership meetings and makes them available to employees. This is very, very open and a dialogue about the direction of the company. There is also an ownership culture which helps encourage everyone to feel responsible for cost management. Looking out, Southwest has multiple media channels to receive information from its customers and incorporate new ideas to improve business. As far as the opportunities and how to capitalize, at Southwest, the culture supports taking risks and providing new ideas. People are simply rewarded for sharing what knowledge they have. Internal knowledge management strategy promotes active involvement, awareness of total business operations, and how to best improve. Listed here are some potential areas which could prove to be problematic. The transition period from such a powerful leader as Keller could be riddled with strife as well as accord. Leadership involvement, which made this institution stand out as America's air passenger carrier, should be consistently addressed to all employees, veterans, as well as recent hires. Also, having a competitive environment is healthy as long as it is not viewed as out of contention or used as a means to achieve items which may be unachievable between teammates. The rise in collaboration has given way to an explosion in pervasive use of social media. Southwest Airlines has found a way to embrace social media for positive promotion of this work environment. Simply by taking a look at the Southwest Airlines screenshot, it is very easy to see that fostering a devotion to employee as well as customer abounds with links both internally and externally. As of 13 September 2012, Facebook alone has managed to log in over 3 million likes for their services and support, as well as 46,000 comments such as, "Thanks for keeping the booking process simple and affordable," as well as, "I always fly Southwest and love you guys." These comments attest to the fact that Southwest Airlines does have its radar on customer issues. Southwest Airlines' organizational learning model is very unique. Their employees are a competitive advantage for the airlines. The impact of organizational learning is high because of the emphasis on each employee's and understanding their place within the organization relative to other employees and relative to the overall organizational values and goals. This fosters a strong relationship culture and motivation to work towards a collective goal. So, how do employers and employees relate at Southwest Airlines? As seen by this picture here, if management keeps doing the things that they are doing now, it seems to be a win-win situation for all three parties: management, employee, as well as customer. In contrast, World Bank has a more centralized management model as opposed to the decentralized, trusting relationship at Southwest. The decentralized management style allows its employees to make decisions at their local level as opposed to the probable bureaucratic elective method. This allows employees to make people management decisions based on what some might call high-octane customer relationships: fast, effective with customer efficiency, safety, and satisfaction always in mind. Regarding leveraging an organizational model for value, Southwest has been able to convert value from organizational learning to desirable outcomes, including an unbroken record of 41 years of profitability. The World Bank is still working after 50 years to consistently extract value from its knowledge assets. To add to the culture, even LUV is the stock market ticker for Southwest Airlines.